In this session, we will discuss about triggers. So, what are the triggers? What are the advantages? And what are the different types of triggers we will discuss in this session. First of all, what is trigger? So, trigger means it is a stored program and it will be invoked automatically in response to an event like insert, update, or delete, which occurs in the associated table. Okay. For example, if you write the trigger, these are the trigger types. Okay. Trigger types. Before insert, after insert, before update, after update, before delete, after delete. Okay. And trigger will be created on the specified table. Let us take one example. EMP table, EMP underscore audit table. Okay. So if I create before insert type of trigger on employee table, then it will be invoked. The trigger will be called whenever employee table you are going to insert data into the employee table. Okay. So in that trigger, you can write the logic whatever you want. For example, I want to insert the data into employee audit table. Whenever we are going to insert the data into the employee table, then you can write the logic by using before insert or after insert. Okay. Like that, before update, after update, before delete, after delete. Okay. So trigger means it is a stored program. It will be invoked automatically in response to an event like insert, update, or delete. Okay. So here we have two types of modifiers like old, new modifiers. And for insert type of trigger, new modifier is available. So we can't use old modifier. For update, these two modifiers will be available. For delete, old modifier only available. Okay. What is old modifier and new modifier? We will see. Okay. Old means while inserting the data into the employee table, okay, a new modifier is available. That inserted data that will be available in new modifier. Okay. Coming to the update, existing data that will be available in old modifier and new data that will be available in new modifier. What your new data means, what you are going to update, the data will be available in new modifier. For delete, old modifier only available. That means existing data is available in old modifier. Old means just like existing data. Okay. Advantages means triggers can be useful for auditing the data changes in tables. Okay. So we can capture if any data changes happened in one table, so we can capture the data in another table. Okay. So that data loss will not be happen. And triggers, it is an alternative approach for scheduled tasks. Okay, so job scheduling, so it is an alternative approach. Why? Because for each and every row we can write the logic whatever we want. Okay, so that's why we can say that it is an alternative approach for scheduled task. So we will go one by one before insert, and here for our understanding purpose we will create two tables. Create table employee serial number integer, employee number integer, ename varchar of 50, salary integer, and created. So when that employee record will be inserted into the employee table. So here date time, so here default now, and here put auto increment so that it will generate a serial number automatically, and give primary key. Okay. This is employee table, and I am going to create audit table, employee underscore audit, and serial number, and here employee, same column, same structure. Okay, employee number, employee name, salary created. So e underscore created, that means here wait a minute, e underscore serial number. See this, here whatever the columns are assigned for the employee table, that all columns I have taken and given in employee audit table. So this is the serial number. E underscore serial number means this e underscore serial number corresponds to serial number in employee table. Employee number means this employee number, employee name, here it corresponds to employee name in serial employee table. Salary also, e created means employee created. Okay, so this is nothing but created column in employee table. Okay, so this created column means it defines when that record will be inserted into respective table. Okay, so I'm going to create these two tables. Default value, okay, now employee underscore audit. So both tables are created with column names. Okay, now refresh it. See this employee and go to the second icon, and here triggers are available. Here you can able to see the list of triggers. Okay, in this I am going to create before insert. So click on plus here. So it's look like procedure syntax. Okay, whenever you are going to, whenever you want to create the procedure, just go to the procedure and right click. Okay, new procedure. Okay, similarly, whenever you are going to create one trigger, you just go to that and click on plus symbol, then it will give the syntax. Okay, so here you need to write some logic. That logic will be executed whenever you are going to insert into the employee table. Okay, so before going to insert into the employee table, that logic will be executed. That is nothing but before insert trigger. As it name itself, before going to insert into the employee table, whatever you have written the logic, that logic will be executed. After insert means, after inserting into the particular table, whatever you have written the logic, that logic will be executed. Like that. Before update, before delete, after delete. Okay. So here I am going to write one insert query, employee audit. Here what are the column names are available? E underscore serial number. See this. So these are the column names and values. And here, as we discussed, for insert trigger, new modifier is available. That means, so before going to insert into the employee table, that values, whatever you have given for inserting into employee table, that values are stored in new modifier. So new dot serial number, new dot emp number, new dot ename, new dot salary, new dot created. Okay, now click on apply button. Here write the insert query. Insert into employee within the brackets. Here emp number, ename, salary. Values, employee number 123, name, Sai, salary. Okay. One row affected. See this. Here, this is first one is employee table 123 Sai 10,000 and created date has been inserted. Okay. And coming to this employee audit table, E underscore serial number means 0. Okay. And 123 Sai salary and created E underscore created. Okay, and created. Okay, so for serial number it is 0. Why? Because before going to insert into the employee table, that value has been captured, so that is 0. Okay, so next. So this is about insert. Before insert, suppose if I am inserting another value 546, see, one more record is inserted. See this. So here again sorry, wait a minute. Unknown column e underscore serial number. Okay. See. So here one record, new record has been inserted. So that record values, before going to insert that record, these values are moved to employee audit table. See this. So for E underscore serial number, it is 0. Why? Because before going to insert into employee table, this record will be inserted into employee audit table. At that time, serial number becomes 0. Okay. So that's why E underscore serial number was 0. So here first data will be inserted into employee audit table, and then it will be inserted into employee table. That is nothing but before insert trigger. Okay. So